This is the result of animal husbandry. This is a breeding between a bird and a dog. Now this is a cubone. This is a rare phenomena where the dog is the lower half and the bird is the head. This is a cross section between a dog and a Pegasus. This is a failed experiment. Look at the birds. They don't have dog heads. They even developed a hamster. This is a breeding between a cock and a dog. This is a breed between a bird, a dog, and Sonic. This is a breed between a kangaroo and a rat. This is a breed between a dog and a snake. This is a lion snake. But this is the strongest of all. A snake and a pig. In selective breeding, it also mentions about plant breeding. So the question is, does a dog-plant hybrid exist? The answer is no. This is an attempt of a dog-plant hybrid. This is an attempt of a dog-plant breeding. What is the result? This is the result. So a dog-plant breed exists. Just look at these pictures.